So it's no time to release the Mavericks 11 for the third and deciding test match between the West Indies and England. All we need to do is to avoid defeat and we retain the Wisden Trophy. So here we go. John Campbell keeps his place alongside Craig Brathwaite. No experimenting at the top of the order at this crucial stage. Shamar Brooks walks at number 3 and dropping one place down to number 4 is Shea Hope, willing to gamble on Hope's experience and technique one more time ahead of the uncertainty of the unknown at this crucial deciding test match. Then we have Ruston Chase, Jermaine Blackwood, Shane Dowrich, Jason Holder, and Rakeem Cornwall. Yes. My only change for this test match, Cornwall comes in for Shannon Gabriel, who looks jaded and will be rested. Then we have Alzari Joseph and Kemar Roach rounding out the 11. So Cornwall in for Gabriel, which strengthens the batting even more because Cornwall is a better batsman than Gabriel. So we might lose a little bit of fire with the new ball, but Cornwall will add more variety to the bowling attack. As for his liabilities in the field and running between the wickets because of his size, hopefully we will make it up with his wickets. And last thing, tell Jason Holder to call tails again. Yes. And when he wins the toss this time, tell him to bat.